In front of me is Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll down again to tap on Privacy section and click on Permission Manager. Following that, select one of your device's features that you wish to manage and tap on any app that you wish to manage under one of those sections, like Chrome from Not Allowed One. Then apply one of those options and go back. As you can see, after that, Chrome just gained access to my device's camera if I'm using this browser. But you can always select any feature, tap on an app that you wish to manage, and select See All Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of those, only for chosen app, the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!